Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing for the Easesonic permanent outdoor Eve lights. So these are 50 feet of smart lights, so they're color changing. They go around your eaves over here, or you can put it on your deck or anywhere else you want. So here's the listing on Amazon. I'm going to go show you the box and show you what's inside. So here's the box that it comes in. It's pretty small. I was actually a little surprised at how it all fit in here. You can see it's 24 volts. It's low voltage, and here's the exact specs. It's RGB plus W, so it's got that white color chip in there, and it's IC, so it's individually controllable, so you can control each individual light. So let's open it up, show you how it looks. Wow, these are small. So here's the stickers. So these are double-sided stickers that you can use for mounting them. And over here is how they are. So you can see it's a really small light. It's much smaller than the previous ones I had. So it looks like they're improving the design, getting it smaller, more compact, but the same amount of output. So it's got a nice white cable, which is flat, so it's going to be easier to hide it. Clip things. It's not like the thick round ones like the old ones were. So everything is over here. You can see it's got a connection over here to connect additional lights. And over here is another connection, and to connect the power supply. Over here it looks like it's the controller. Here's the remote for controlling it manually, with the remote instead of your phone. And here's mounting screws, so you can see it's got the holes over here, so if you don't want to use double-sided tape, you can use the screws in order to give it a more permanent install, so you won't have any issues. A couple more stickers, and here's the instruction manual. We're going to quickly flick through it so you can see what kind of information it gives you. So here's the same specs that were on the box, and it shows you what comes in it. And over here shows you how to install it. Use the tape as well as the screws and get a nice strong connection. And here's how to download the app. Shows you download the Magic Lantern app in order to set it up. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below on my video and I'll try to help you out. If you have any questions, I will try to answer them. Thank you. Having a great day.